Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about these two cryptocurrencies market direction, what could be the levels for these two cryptocurrencies, and lot other things. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you look at here, the current situation, so price is just trading at around 24,000 level. Now if you have seen our previous videos, or if you remember that we were talking about this thing, that the price is taking a support at 22,600 because we have this support area as well as this trend line area. So very nicely price is holding up this level. In fact, on I think 10th of August the price was up by more than 3%. That was the time the price basically trading at around 24,000 level. Even if you see the yesterday's momentum, so we have seen the price went up to very near to 25,000 level, but again it closes at the opening price, at near the opening price. So again it's just hovering around at 24,000 levels. Now why is it happening, and why the price is not moving up? Let's talk about that. So one thing which is looking very interesting here, we have this 100 EMA level. So now the price is just taking a resistance of this 100 EMA, and we can see this thing from the volumes as well. So we are getting few volumes, less volume, less trading activity. Because of that the price is not going up. Now if we'll be getting more volumes, if we will see more buyers and sellers are there, in fact more number of buyers will be there, so you will see the price will trade higher than this particular 100 EMA. And we have a very near this resistance area as well, very near to this 100 EMA. Now this is a very crucial time for the Bitcoin, and we just need to see if the more participants will join, you will see the more momentum towards the upside. So this is all for the Bitcoin. We can take a resistance at 25,823, and we can take a support at 22,600. And again till the time the price is not moving, the buyers are not coming into this particular cryptocurrency, the momentum will not be there, right? And we can't be very much sure about the direction, right? If you look at the whole momentum from I think June of this year, the price is going up, but it's trading higher in a very small or in a very tight range, right? So what you can see, the price is making higher highs, higher low. That's a sign of the uptrend. But again that uptrend looks not so promising, because again because of the lack of the volumes. So let's just wait for that, and maybe once we'll get the more confirmation, ideally we can see more fast momentum towards one side, whether it is up or down. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, now Ethereum is showing some strength here, and on 10th of August it was up by more than 8%. Yes, it was very near to 9%. And also if you see the volumes here, so volumes are good as compared to the previous volumes. Also if you look at this support area, which is in the form of this 100 EMA, so the price is now taking a support here. And in fact if you remember, or if you have seen our 10th of August the video, we have seen that the price basically it was trading at around 1725, and that was a support area at that time. And price very nicely closed higher than this, right? So again it is currently trading at around 1900 level. And our major or the next resistance for this cryptocurrency is 2004. So we can take a 2004 resistance and support area of 1725. Now if you look at this Ethereum and if you compare it with Bitcoin, you can see more momentum here. Why? Because for the one simple reason, the price is now trading higher than this 100 EMA. So this could be something which is we can get more upside momentum, more clarity towards the upside. So yes, so these are the range looking little upside, and maybe we can see the price will test to the resistance area, and then we will decide, we will see what gonna happen after that. So till then, you can do trading based on these levels. So happy trading. So please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like this video, like this, like the hit the like option, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out anything in future. So this is all from my side today. Let's meet on Monday and we'll see what's gonna happen in the next week. So till then, happy trading.